What's up guys, we're back, and in today's video we're gonna install new seat covers for this Corolla. This one, the quality is amazing, so this one is going to be super cool. Let's check it out, let's open the box and let's see the seat covers. Coming up right now. Okay guys, this is what it comes inside of the box. These are the seat covers, so these are from the front. The quality feels pretty nice. Amazing. This is for the bottom driver and passenger side for the front. These two, there's 1, 2. It comes with everything, even for the headrest, and that one is for the rear seat, the middle part, left, I think right side, and driver side. Okay, so it comes with everything. Okay, so now let's start with the maybe driver side. Okay, let's start with the installation. Okay, let me show you how the seats are right now. They're pretty bad. Especially in this color, it's very hard to keep it clean, and we already washed them and cleaned them with my friend, but man, it's hard. The stains, they will come back even if you clean it real good. But that one is gonna change today. We're gonna put new seat covers for all of them. The style that I went to is beige with black, so it's gonna look super cool, and also it's gonna match the original color of this one. You see, it has stains, and we already cleaned them real good, but still the stains comes back, all of them. But right now, we're gonna change that. Okay, this is how it looks after with the seat covers. And I gotta say, it looks amazing. It feels amazing. It feels like leather. I think it's real leather. If not, it feels pretty good. Amazing. Look at that. The detail, the quality is the best for this one. Even this one is great. It's a great thing that they put this to cover the original headrest. So as you can see, it looks black. Amazing. In here too has that. You can see a little bit of the old seat in here, but it's very small and settled, not too much. You can see that one. I'm amazed, and this looks super great. And let's see how it feels. It's super comfortable. Feels real good. I love it. Okay guys, those are the seat covers. The quality is amazing, the color is great, and it looks amazing on the Corolla. Okay, but let me know what you guys think on the comments. The link for this product is gonna be on the description of the video down below. Thank you for watching, God bless you, and see you on the next video. Bye.